This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Maureen Greif. Beautiful turnkey working farm in Riverview offers 19.73 acres of lush citrus fruit trees and a brook with grand oaks lining its banks. The property provides a custom-built home with open floor plan that features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The home is available to be sold furnished. The property has a 40x100 warehouse with 5 loading docks, built in 2007 with a full bath, heat, and electricity, a equipment barn with electricity and multiple greenhouses scattered throughout the property. All farm equipment and a refrigerated truck will convey. The property can also be subdivided. For more information, review the details below.